Hey guys, my name is Marlo with Vegas Meeting Mansion and welcome to my channel. So, dirty windows can cause headaches and migraines because it causes strain on your eyes. So I'm here in my parking lot here in Las Vegas, and I have to say, guys, Las Vegas has got to have the most dirtiest car windows in America just because we live in the desert and we have all that dust that flies throughout the air and gets our windows dirty fast. So I want you guys to do an exercise. Next time you go to the grocery store or any huge parking lot, from wherever you park, walk all the way to the entry and look at all the car windows and look how dirty those car windows are. Look how hazy those car windows are. I don't think everybody wants dirty car windows. I just think it's a little difficult to get to those hard to reach areas. And a lot of people just don't know how to car clean their windows easily and efficiently. So that's why I'm doing this video, because car cleaning windows should not be that difficult. You should be able to do it within 3 minutes. I'm going to show you with this tool that I found by accident, guys. And let me tell you, it's got to be the best tool out there. And this is not even made to clean windows. I bought this initially to pick up hair from carpet on my stairs. And I looked at the engineering of this and I was like, man, this could be made to clean windows fast. So I'm going to show you what I add to this tool and how it cleans windows fast and hugs the windows efficiently and fast and cleans the windows, guys. Did you know you're more than likely to get in a car accident with dirty windows? Did you know you're more than likely to get pulled over by having dirty windows by a police officer? Did you know dirty windows can cause headaches and migraines because it causes strain on your eyes? So that's why you want to have your car windows clean at all times, guys. So let's get started with this video. I'm going to show you and you're going to be amazed. So let's go. So guys, what's so cool about this tool is how this silicone bristle broom can hug all edges of the vehicle, guys. So we're going to put some paper towels on there, but that's what's so cool about this cleaning tool. When you have something that's hard and flat, it can't hug the edges, right? So that's what's so cool about this tool. So we're gonna get started cleaning, and guys, I'm gonna show you how to clean your windows in less than 3 minutes, guys. So let's do it. This is also the reaching ability, so you can get sunroofs, everything, guys. All right, guys, here's my supplies. It's all you need, guys. So what I like to use is these blue Scott multi-purpose rags. Well, not rags, but towels. I preferably like to use these, but if all you have is a Bounty cloth, you can use that as well. And then a microfiber. So what's cool about this, guys, I want to show you. And of course, I have my spray bottle. If you have really grimy windows, you want to do half distilled vinegar and half distilled water. But today, I just have distilled water, so that's all you need. If you just have regular water, that's fine. I just preferably like to use distilled water because there's no impurities, right? You don't want hard water on your window. So let's go. All right, guys, so all you're gonna do is just plop your silicone broom there right on the microfiber. And what makes this so cool is you can just this microfiber towel just stays here. Let me try to do this with one hand, guys. So you just stick this in the hole like that. Use your finger. Just using this is a better tool. So you just stick it on just like that. Come over here like that. So you're not using your microfiber as a cleaner, guys. This is just as a cushion to go under your Bounty towel or your Scott's towel. So I'm gonna show you right now. Here we go, let's do it. All right, this window shield is lightly soiled, but if you have a really grimy windshield, use half distilled water, half distilled white vinegar, guys. So we're just gonna give it a nice squirt. Because first we gotta get rid of most of the dirt, right? And pollen, right? So I'm gonna take my tool. So guys, I just put the towel right on the window. So you take this, right? And this is all you do. And it's that fast, guys. So right after we clean up all this grime, right, we're gonna use our glass cleaner to make sure that everything is streak free, guys. See how fast that is? And look how it hugs the edges, just like that. So guys, just a reminder, do not reuse your microfiber towels. That's what causes all the haze on your vehicle, guys. So obviously, to get underneath the windshield, you just pick that up. See all that grime right there? All right, pick up the windshield. Look at all that grime right there. Just give it a little nice squirt. Pick up the windshield wiper. See how it just hugs right in there, guys? So we're getting all that grime, and then we're gonna go over it with the glass cleaner, guys. But look at that, guys, how it just hugs, right? So I'm gonna show you the Bounty towel. Let's take the Bounty towel, just like that. And with the consistency of that microfiber and the Bounty towel, it just sticks, guys. Look at that. So, and then, right, I got the glass cleaner, guys. Just spray. And keep on watching. I'm gonna show you how to clean your window, your inner windshield, with a kitchen spatula, guys. I said it. Kitchen spatula. But it's that easy, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It just hugs right in those creases. Just like that. Nothing out there beats this. It's got so much reachability. Especially those with those large trucks with the big windows. Look at that. But when you're cleaning, obviously you're gonna make sure it's dry, right? So I'll do the other side. See, guys, check it out. There's nothing out there that's better than this. It's the silicone bristles that keeps everything together and able to clean real fast. All right, guys, so I got my spray bottle. Spray. Got my Bounty towel. And it just hugs the edges, guys. Look at that. That easy, that fast. All right, guys, just as I promised, I told you I was gonna show you how to clean your inner windshield glass window. So all you need is a kitchen spatula. You can take a sponge, okay? You're gonna put it right over that spatula. I know, guys, it sounds ridiculous, but I'm gonna tell you why this is the best. You just get a rubber band, just like that. Let's keep it on, maybe 2 rubber bands, right? Those inner windows get hazy, right? And you're gonna get a sock, and you need to have the sock on, guys. You need to. So just get an old dirty sock. You're gonna put it over on, just like this. I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys. Put it all the way on. I'm gonna show you how to clean your windshield, guys. Alright, guys, I finally got the sock over the sponge. So this gives you more further reach inside your vehicle to get inside the windshield. So I'm gonna show you. Alright, guys, for demonstration, so I just have my spray cleaner here. I spray the towel and the spatula. What this does is it helps you get nice and deep in there, guys. See, nice and deep. And you get to clean your windshield, guys. That easy. Make sure that sock is on there. Okay, guys. It helps you just get deep and down without having to buy one of those fake window cleaners, guys. It's that easy. Make sure that sponge is on there. Make sure the sock is on there. And that's it. There you go. That's how you reach those areas.